I welcome you all back to the next session of marketing management. In this session, we will be dealing with types of sampling and methods of sampling. Clear to it? Okay. In previous sessions, we completed with the data collection and what is data collection method, what are the types of data collection methods, and today we will be dealing with sampling. Before dealing with the types of sampling, I would just like to explain you what is sampling. Sampling is nothing but the amount of unit, or it is a technique used to collect the research data. There are many types of sampling method used in research. Example: statistical, probability sampling method, non probability sampling method, etc. क्लियर टू? सैम्पलिंग मेथड क्या है? सैम्पलिंग मेथड वो टेक्निक है किसकी? डेटा रिसर्च एनालिसिस की, सेलेक्शंस ऑफ रिसर्च एनालिसिस, हम किस पर रिसर्च करें, वो यूनिट्स की, वो यूनिट्स को हम कैसे सेलेक्ट करें, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज सैम्पलिंग. Clear to it? Okay, let's start with sampling is a technique of selecting individual numbers or a subset of the population, make statistical interference from them and estimate characteristics of the whole population. सैम्पलिंग यूनिट्स क्या है? सैम्पलिंग यूनिट्स वो टेक्निक है जहाँ पर हम अपने डेटा कलेक्शन के लिए नंबर ऑफ़ यूनिट्स सेलेक्ट करते और जो भी रिजल्ट उस सैम्पल्स पे आता है वो पूरे पॉपुलेशंस पे कंक्लूड कर देते हैं. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एज सैम्पलिंग इन शॉर्ट. Different sampling methods are widely used by the researcher in market research so that they do not need to research the entire population to collect the ऑक्शनेबल इनसाइट. अभी मार्केट रिसर्चर क्या करते हैं? डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सैम्पलिंग का मेथड यूज़ करते हैं डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द टाइप्स ऑफ रिसर्च. तो उसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि उन्हें पूरा मार्केट को स्टडी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. वो जितने पॉपुलेशंस को सेलेक्ट करते हैं उतने ही पॉपुलेशन को वो स्टडी करते हैं और अपना कंक्लूजन ड्रॉ कर देते हैं उस पर. क्लियर? ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज it is also a time consuming and a cost effective method and hence form the base of market design. Market sampling technique can be used in the research survey software for optimum deviation. Clear? Okay. Types of sampling method. Sampling in market research is of two types: probable sampling and non-probable sampling. Let us take a closer look at these two methods of sampling. सैम्पलिंग के दो टाइप्स है: प्रोबेबल सैम्पलिंग एंड नॉन प्रोबेबल सैम्पलिंग. प्रोबेबिलिटी सैम्पलिंग. प्रोबेबिलिटी सैम्पलिंग इज अ टेक्निक where a researcher sets a selections of few criteria and choose the member of population randomly. All the members have an equal opportunity to be a part of the sample. With this selection पैरामीटर, प्रोबेबिलिटी सैम्पलिंग मीन्स वो सैम्पलिंग मेथड जहाँ पर पूरे पॉपुलेशन को स्टडी किया जाता है और सबको चांस मिलता है अपने क्राइटेरिया को जस्टिफाई करने का. नॉन प्रोबेबल सैम्पलिंग मेथड वो सैम्पलिंग मेथड है जहाँ पर रिसर्चर चूज़ करते हैं मेंबर्स रैंडमली, जहाँ पर सैम्पल्स रैंडमली चूज़ किया जाता है, उसको बोलते हैं नॉन प्रोबेबल सैम्पलिंग मेथड. This sampling method is not a fixed or predetermined selection process. यहाँ पर फिक्स नहीं है और ये इसका कोई सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस जस्टिफाइड नहीं है. This make it difficult for all the elements of population to have equal opportunities to be included in the sample. ये मेथड में सब सैम्पल्स को अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलती, सब पॉपुलेशन को अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलती सैम्पल्स बनने की. क्लियर? अभी हम जो पढ़ेंगे वो टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी सैम्पलिंग पढ़ेंगे. Probability sampling is a technique in which researchers choose samples from a large population using a method on the theory of probability. This sampling method considered every member of the population and from sample based on a fixed process. उसका फर्स्ट है सिंपल रैंडम सैम्पलिंग. One of the best probability sampling technique helps to save time and resource is the simple random sampling method. It is a reliable method of obtaining information where every single number of population is chosen randomly, mere by chance. Each individual has the same probability of being chosen to be a part of the sample. Clear? Next one है cluster sampling. Cluster sampling is a method where the researcher divides the entire population into sections or clusters that represents a population. Clusters are identified and included in a sample based on demographic parameters like age, sex, location, etc. This makes it very difficult for a surveyor to carry or to divert effective interference from the feedback. Next one है systematic sampling. Researcher use systematic sampling method to choose the sample members of a population at regular interval. It requires the selection of a starting point for the sample and sample size that can be repeated at regular interval. This type of sampling method has a predefined range and hence this sampling technique is the last consuming time consuming. Then है stratified sampling method. Stratified sampling method is a technique in which the researcher divides the population into small groups that does not overlaps but represent the entire population. While sampling, these groups can be organized and then drawn a sample from each group separately. Next one है use of probability sampling. Probability sampling किस लिए यूज़ की जाती है? To reduce sample base. Using the probability sampling method, the bias is the sampling derived from a population is negligible to non-existent. The selection of the sample mainly depict the understanding and the interference of the researcher. Probability sampling leads to higher quality data collection as the sample approximately represent the population. Next one is diverse population. When the population is vast and diverse, it is essential to have adequate representation so that the data is not slaved. Therefore, one demographic, for example, demographic. Next one is create an accurate sample. Probability sampling helps the researchers plan and create an accurate sample. This helps to obtain self-defined data. Next one है type of non-probability sampling with example. The non-probability sampling method is an example method that involves a collection of feedback based on the researcher or statistician sample selection capabilities and not on the fixed selection process. In most situations, the output of a survey conducted with a non-probable sample leads to sieved the result, which may not represent the diverse targeted population. But there are situations such as preliminary stage of research or cost constraints for conducting the research where no probability sampling will be much more useful than the other type. क्लियर है? 4 टाइप्स है प्रोबेबिलिटी सैम्पलिंग के. फर्स्ट वन है कन्वीनियंट सैम्पलिंग. दिस मेथड इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन द एज ऑफ द एक्सेस टू द सब्जेक्ट such as surveying consumers at a mall or passes by on a busy street. It is usually termed as convenient sampling because of the researcher's ease of carrying it but and giving it touch with the subject. Researchers have nearly no authority to search the sample element and it's purely done based on proximity and not representativeness. This non-probability sampling method is used when there are time and cost limitation in collecting feedback. In situations where there are resource limitations, such as the initial stage of research, convenient sampling is used. If you have any doubts and queries, please pin me on the email ID provided to you by the college. Thank you all. Thank you. Be at home. Be safe.